8 minus 4 gives us 4. So 4 divided by 2 minus 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and 2 minus 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have we have 2 subtractions and 1 division. According to the PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction, because division comes before subtraction. Okay? So here, first we have to do this division, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. Okay? If we do this subtraction before this division or this subtraction, it is wrong. So first this division, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. No, we have 8 minus 2 minus 2. In this expression, we have 2 subtractions. And when we have more than 1 subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. Okay? So here, first we have to do this subtraction. 8 minus 2 is just 6. And 6 minus 2 gives us 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.